Okay. Is it on? It's on.
Let me check.
Wait, check it. It's public.
I am not
Yeah, I
seeing
think
it.
it's on.
Why am I seeing it on my phone? Oh, it is.
No, wait, what? Why didn't it work?
I got it.
No, wait, what? Why didn't it work? I got it.
Someone joined.
Someone joined?
Hello.
Remember that anyone can see. This is like my 20th time making a post. Okay.
Okay.
Did it post or not? Okay, it's like lagging a bit.
Okay. We're good.
How much people do we have?
Let's
Okay, well,
quickly check.
it's been a minute.
Can they see your whole screen?
Wait.
Can't.
Ah, they're like people.
Wow. Welcome
Wait,
to
hello,
live
hello,
stream.
hello.
10 concurrent viewers.
10 concur. Wait, how do you know? Where does it say that?
Well, 9,
Oh, it
but
says
I
9.
rounded
Okay,
up.
okay, okay. Okay. Wait, that's crazy. Okay. All right, all right. Um, here's how this will work. Okay, I have a tech guy over here.
Okay. Okay.
It's going to be me versus ChatGPT, and we have 15 questions over here. So the HMT
Just
tournament,
happened.
yeah, it just happened. It normally has like 20 questions, but we only have like answers for
Our
15
sources
of
only
them. Yeah,
provided
yeah,
us 15.
yeah. I may have been a bit stupid, but
It's
it
okay.
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So we only have answers for 15 of the questions. And what is that? Okay. We only have answers for 15. So we have 15 questions that we can use in our competition against ChatGPT. And at the end, I'll probably just like try and solve the last five alone because they are the hardest ones. So wait, should we wait for a few more people to join?
You go to Harvard.
I do not go to Harvard.
He should, though. He will.
Huh? I'm not going to Harvard.
Who truths and libel with math? Thank you.
What the hell? Okay. Um, when do we start? Do we just start now?
I say we just start now.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Okay.
First
This
question.
is kind of anticlimactic.
I have it loaded
Send it
up
into
already.
ChatGPT. Yeah, he has a bunch of ChatGPT stuff loaded. Okay. Let
Wow.
A, B, C, D be a rectangle. Let X and Y be segments on BC and AD respectively.
ChatGPT is still
Okay,
thinking,
this is a
guys.
horrible diagram.
Go, go, go.
Be segments on BC and AD respectively, such that AXY is 90 degrees. That is not 90 degrees. Okay, we need to draw another diagram. Third diagram.
He's doing better than ChatGPT. ChatGPT still has not come up with an answer yet. It's still thinking. It's exploring vector relationships.
Okay, so X is going to be here. Y is going to be here. X, Y, C is also 90. So it's going to be look like that. Okay, I know what it looks like now. I know what it looks like now. So finally we can draw a semi-good diagram. Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D.
Oh boy.
Okay, such that AXY, given that AX to XY to YC is 1 to 2 to 1. Oh my God, this is a horrible diagram. And
Doesn't matter.
And AB is 1. Okay, so you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move this to the side. I don't want to delete that one. 1, 2, 1. So it looks something like this. Yeah. Oh, okay, I think I have it. Yeah. Wait, no, I don't have it.
ChatGPT plays two truths and a live. That'd be funny. Go to MIT instead.
No, hold on. This is AB is 1, right? We know we know that this triangle has ratios 1 to 2 to square root 5 by Pythagorean theorem. So this triangle, it's going to be similar to this triangle over here. Okay. So that means that this right here will be 1/2. Um, this length, ax will be square root 5 over 2. And we can use this triangle's ratios because we know that this is 1 to 2. So this length will be square root 5. And since this is square root 5, we can divide by 2 to get square root 5 over 2. These two triangles are similar. Okay, I'm kind of scribbling all over the place, but it's fine. And then we multiply by square root 5 to get 5 over 2. So the answer should be 3. Wait, check the answer key. Is it 3?
The answer key says that the answer to this question is
When did we start? What time did we start?
indeed 3.
Okay.
We started 4
Okay,
minutes
I am
ago.
at 1. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. So ChatGPT is using a calculator. There's not really any way to get it to like stop using a calculator. So it's always gonna do everything like faster than me. It gets the answer within like 10 seconds. But what I wanted to do is find the most like smart solution. So for example, if uh
I'm known as Tech Guy by your chat now. You guys will never know my
huh?
name. I am Tech Guy.
Okay. If if the question is to find this, right? This sum, ChatGPT can write up a Python script and then it can just like compute it. But like a smarter solution would be to okay, to
You'll try to
pair
find
like
me now?
pair the numbers up and then all the way to 100. Of course, you guys have probably seen this question before. Okay. And then now you can add up these two to get 101. So, uh this solution, of course, is preferred to just adding up all the numbers. So even though ChatGPT can add up all the numbers, we're going to have a time constraint where another AI is going to check whether ChatGPT, like the solution of ChatGPT. So if ChatGPT brute forces this and just adds them all up, the other AI is going to say, oh, that's going to take a human, like say 20 minutes to do. And then ChatGPT will get like a 20-minute time deduction. It will have to like sit there and do nothing for 20 minutes.
Which is,
On
yeah.
the other hand, if it does this smart solution, a human would only take like, say, like 30 seconds to do this, right? Since it could just multiply 101 by 50, which wouldn't take a human very long. So 30 seconds. So ChatGPT is incentivized to make a smarter solution instead of just doing
Computing.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, we are
By the
back.
way, ChatGPT said that the human estimated time to solve the first problem that we got, which is a very fast human, was around 3 minutes.
Okay,
Mind you,
wait,
we
hold
spent the
on.
first minute just
Wait a
drawing
minute.
diagrams. So,
No, this is the wrong wait, is this the wrong problem? No,
no, this is the right one.
okay, okay. Wait,
The next
what
one,
time did we start?
we started at 3:43, I believe, and it took you around 4 minutes.
Okay, so okay, wait. Enter the next problem into GPT. So GPT also got the first problem.
Yes. All right.
Okay,
Next
this
question.
is our first time streaming, okay? So I
Yeah.
don't want to hear anything about how nothing is going smoothly. Okay.
The first
Because
question that
nothing
we
is.
just did, that was from the regular round. This is now the first question from the theme round. So
Yeah.
ChatGPT, go. All right, we start at 3:49. Go.
It's filled. Okay. It's fully filled with mercury. And flask B, they're both 1 liter, so they're the same size. It's partially filled with liquid gallium. So let's say there's X amount of gallium in here. So 1 liter of mercury here and X liters of gallium here. Okay. And then Mark pours the contents of flask A into flask B until flask B is full. So,
Until flask A is full.
no, flask B, yeah, until flask B is full. Wait. We're gonna copy this over. So now flask A is no longer full. It instead has X mercury inside. And flask B is full. With 1 minus X liters of mercury. And then, now, flask B, this pours into flask A until flask A is full again. Given that the mixture in flask B is now 30% mercury, well, okay, the percentage of mercury in flask B is not going to change after you pour it. So that means in this scenario, right now it's 30% mercury. Then that means it's 70% gallium. And then,
Yeah, he would be math guy.
okay, well, X percent. Okay, we already used X. You know what? That's kind of annoying. But if we, since there's 30%, there's 0.3 liters of space here, of which 30% will be mercury. Then that means that 0.3 times 30% is 9%. Okay, so 9% mercury, and there's also already 70% mercury. So is it 79? I think it might be 79. Wait, check if it's 79.
Okay. ChatGPT got 79 as well. And the
Wait,
answer
wait, give it to ChatGPT faster, because it is already way ahead.
is
Like,
79.
give it to, wait, because it said 1.5 to 2 minutes, and
Yeah.
like right now it is like, what's the time?
So it took you 3 minutes.
No, like, give it to faster, because
What do you mean if you give it to it faster?
don't wait for me to like,
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay. So
Yeah,
like
so
just
just
keep
give it,
reading.
yeah, yeah. So ChatGPT is already at 2. It's supposed to be ahead, but, um,
ChatGPT got it right. You guys both did. All right, next one is
okay.
the second question from the regular round. Begin.
Okay, I think this question, I think we just test. So each pair of adjacent numbers differs by exactly 1. Here, let me try this first.
Tech guy
So
is really
one,
bad at
two,
math.
three, 4, 3, 2. That's not enough. Okay, first notice the number of integers around the circle must be even, because otherwise, let me show you what would happen if it's odd. So let's say we have 5 numbers, okay? We would have 0, 1, 2, and like even if you go down by 1, you can see like the parity doesn't work out. We get 2 numbers with that are the exact same, and uh and it says the second rule says that they must differ by exactly 1. So this doesn't work. You must have an even you must have an even number of numbers around the circle. This is 25, which is 1 away, which is 1 over. And I don't think there's anything we can do the with 10 numbers. So we're gonna have to go up to 12 and check that. 36. Now, can we decrease this number by 12? Is that possible? Is that a thing we can do? Let's say if we take this one number here, 6, and instead of adding 1 on these two sides, we will subtract 1 instead. So we will get 4 in the middle. So that would decrease this by 2. Now I want to try some other stuff. If we decrease, for example, 2 at a time, okay, so each number decreases by 2. These were originally 5 and 6, and they became 3 and 4. So we would want to decrease 6 numbers in order to turn 36 into 24, because 6 numbers times 2 is 12, like a difference of 12, and then 36 minus 24 would be 12. So let's just pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this 2, 3, 4. Let's add these up. 6, 6, 8, 15, 20, and 24. Okay, so n will be 12. Check with that. Check if that's right.
Okay. So we got the answer.
Wait, tell me if ChatGPT gets one right.
This is correct.
Okay.
12 is correct. And let me see what ChatGPT got. ChatGPT got
Wait,
12.
you got to let me know because you're on the next question.
Oh, you told me to feed it.
Huh?
Am I
Yeah,
not
yeah,
feeding it?
yeah, yeah. But like, you got to update the score.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so ChatGPT is like,
You
at,
guys are tied,
no, no, no.
basically.
ChatGPT had. Did it get one more? Yeah, check the answers.
It got this right. It got that question right. And it said 45 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and then the next question's
That's
already
question
ready.
3. Blue, icy, or large?
What? Oh, I started
I don't
thinking
know.
about the movie theater
It's
slushies.
what?
Blue icy, large. That's what I always get when I watch movies. Large blue icy. Actually, no, I get red and blue. Red and blue is tough.
Okay. Or making a Venn diagram.
Trend diagram.
Blue, icy, large. Okay. And none of them are outside, so 0 outside. Each moon is blue, icy, or large. There are 10 moons which are blue, but not icy. So, you know what? I'll change color. Why not?
Ooh.
10. 8 moons which are icy, but not large. Okay, these are horrible colors. Let me get a different color.
Green. Okay.
The next one's green. Okay. And 6 moons which are large, but not blue.
No, wait, that number should be 8.
Oh, that should be 8. You are right.
Yes. Tech guy did something in math.
And you are asked to compute the number of moons in the middle. Okay. So we know there are 10 in this region, which I will fill in. 8 in this region, and 6 in this region. So if we add all those up, we get 24 moons in these 3 regions over here, like all combined. And that means that there are 5 in the middle because that's the only region left, and we have 29 total moons. So our answer will be 5. Is that correct?
The answer is indeed 5.
Okay. Has ChatGPT gotten another one? Okay.
ChatGPT has unfortunately got another one. It got it correct.
Okay.
And it said 40 to 50 seconds, which is crazy. I don't believe that in the slightest.
Wait, that's the same question as me.
Yeah.
Wait, so no, ChatGPT was at 4. Wait, have you given it a new question?
No, not yet.
No, give it a new question,
Okay,
bro.
new question,
Yeah,
sorry.
it said 40 to 50 seconds. You gotta give it a new one after 40 to 50 seconds. Okay.
Well, it actually has been 40 to 50 seconds.
Okay, we are tied up, but I've kind of been cheating.
What?
Yes.
All right, go, 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 go. Then I'll have a timer ready
Okay.
for whenever it finishes.
Yeah. With some of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, possibly none or 7.
That is true. I was the one to notice that too. The
Huh?
blue, red, and green shapes you made were all moon shaped.
Wait, what?
Very cool.
Wait, I don't know if that was intended. Okay. That would be pretty cool if it were
That
intended.
was pretty cool.
Actually fills each cell with a 3 by 3. Okay.
Oh,
Each
wait,
row
crap.
and
It
each
gave me
column.
an answer. Oh, wait, wait.
Hmm. Okay, wait, this is low-key. Okay. I'm getting a bit confused already. You know what? I will actually skip this question. I will come back to this. Um, okay, wait. I need to copy this over because I have no ideas on that at the moment. Yeah. Okay, I'm better at geometry.
This is the geometry guy right here.
And P is parallel to SU. SE is parallel to UN.
New beginning.
EUV. We're trying to find the minimum possible, sorry, the maximum possible value of triangle EUV. Okay, let me make a proper diagram. This has area 24, so yeah, this has area 60. What can we do with that? Okay, this is also area 24 because these are parallel. This is a parallelogram. Okay, wait. Is is the area of triangle EUV not always the same? Is this a trick question? Hold on, hold on. Wait. This is my logic right now. The area of triangle SUN is the same as the triangle of EUN because this is the base and they both have the same height. So they must have the same area. So triangle EUN right here has area 24. The same idea extends to triangle VSU. So this is also 24. And because the total area is 84, what is that? 60, 36. Okay, answer 36 for number 6.
Ah,
Theme round number 3.
let's see. Theme round number 3. It is 37.
Oh, okay, wait, don't tell me the answer. Just tell me if I'm right or not.
Wrong.
Okay, well, I'm not. Because, hmm, wait. I want to actually find out why that is.
However, ChatGPT also got this very wrong.
Okay,
Like, really wrong.
okay. So we're both still at 4.
Yes. And I still need to feed him a new question because he said 5 to 6
Did it
minutes.
get the fifth question?
The question after this one?
No, before that one, because I skipped a question.
This one, right?
Huh?
This one with the grid?
I don't know if it's with the, yeah, it's with the grid, yeah. Go look at that one.
1296.
Wait,
Which it
don't tell
is.
me the answer. Okay,
Oh, oops.
wait, like, look at, if, I don't know if that's right, but if it is,
It is.
give ChatGPT a point. Okay, so it's 4 to 5.
And I still need to feed it a new problem. You have a minute before I
Hmm?
feed it a new problem.
Okay.
Actually, you have two. You have 2 minutes. So start on the next one.
Mm-hmm. What did ChatGPT get for this?
137.
Okay, I don't know what happened.
No, 132.
I'll go back to this question. I shouldn't be getting this wrong. Come on, this is question number 3. Okay, I think we'll just consider multiple cases. I feel like there's a better way to do this, but I can't think of it right now. So first case will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stuff like this. And there will be 6 of those. Where all the numbers are like each grid cell either has 0 or 4 numbers in it. Actually, no, this is a horrible way to do this. This is gonna take forever. There's gotta be a better way. Okay, taking out my jacket. Wait, hold on. Let me turn on the AC. It's getting so hot.
You're losing time, boy.
Huh? I know I'm losing time.
Hello, P Mister 2173. Let's see what else people said. Depending on area is 84 total. Probably. I don't know. I'm bad at math.
Hey. How many viewers do we have?
We currently have 34.
Oh, nice. Okay. She can do this so that each row and column
Wait, are
contains
they
each.
giving you guys a lot of ads in the chat? Can you guys quickly write if they are?
No, I turned monetization to low. Or wait, no, I did that for the test stream. The one we did where it was unlisted. For that,
How many ads have you guys gotten? Have you gotten like on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad are they? No ads? All right, that's good. Good. Man, I started talking and we lost six viewers.
okay.
One add. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Wait, no, this is 4 to 5. Wait, what happened here? Oh yeah, I went back to the other question. It didn't update. Why
Forbidden.
am I drawing all this out? I need to have like some sort of, because I've drawn out the score. That's probably not the best idea.
Yeah, give me a
Okay.
question at 407.
How about we just first consider this row, and then we place the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 into this row.
Your parents are back.
Are they?
Do you not hear the ascending sounds outside?
I don't know. That might not be them.
Really?
Yeah. That would be 3 to the power of 6. But what do we do from there? Let's say we have this. Yeah, I don't know what to do from there. I guess we could do casework, or maybe not. Here. I have let's go back to the other strategy of just like doing casework based on the distribution of numbers. For example, this one has 400,040,004. So we could have that.
ChatGPT gains another point.
Oh, okay. That's great. Um, I need to lock in here.
Truly. Truly, truly, truly. Yeah.
Right now. Oh, wait.
Oh
Lock it, lock it,
no!
lock it, lock it, lock it, lock it, lock it.
That guy's throwing.
Yeah, we have one of those tables that like can go up and down. Um, 2, 0, 2. Oh no, this has two variations of it. Oh no, wait, no, they all have several variations. Oh, this has 6. This one has, I think, 12.
One viewer said you don't need to do all the numbers at once as they aren't dependent on each other. Consider each number on 4 separate grids.
Oh, oh, that's smart. Okay,
See Coster the goat.
okay. I don't know if it's against the rule to have chat helping me, but ChatGPT is writing Desmos code. Okay, I mean, sorry, ChatGPT is writing Python code, so I think we're in the clear. Okay, 111. Okay, so it's 6 to the power of 4. There are 4 numbers, and each of them there are 4 numbers, and each of them have 6 different possible grids.
We can't say
So
our sources, Mr. P. Meister.
what is 6 to the
T.
power of
Meister.
4? 36, 36.
But if you check their website, they should have the questions up pretty soon.
1296. Oh, that's what we got earlier. Okay, I get a point.
Chat versus
Yes.
ChatGPT.
Okay. Oh God. Why did I write out the score individually on each of these slides? Okay. Given that A, B, and C are integers. No, I'm not doing that. Okay. I'm not
ChatGPT
doing
gets
that either.
another point.
That is horrible. These are horrible questions. I don't want to do some algebra.
ChatGPT gets another point.
Okay, 5 to 7. A, B, C, D, B points on a line in that order. Point E such that AED and triangle BEC is equilateral. That BC is 10 and 80 is 39.
Oh, the sun is so beautiful. Oh.
Compute AB, okay. Compute the difference in length between AB and CD. Okay. I have a rough idea of what this would look like.
Frank Ocean
Um,
stuck in my head.
I think we might have to rotate the diagram somehow. I'm not exactly sure though. I don't know how that would look. The other solution is to just use a bunch of coordinates, but I don't want to do that.
That would take time.
Points in a line in that.
I'm on high school year 2 and just learning derivatives. So Honestly, bro, I'm doing calc as well. Derivatives get pretty easy in a bit, I promise you. Once you get used to them, because like derivatives are something you're gonna use for the entire year. So once you know how to derive things, it's so easy. I believe in you, bro. Learn those four rules by heart.
No, this doesn't work.
When you get to optimization, though, that gets a bit funky.
Yeah, I don't know what to do with this either. This is 120 degrees. I don't think that helps us in any way though.
If
I
anyone
think
wants to help in chat, they can say.
yes, yes, yes. I think yeah, we might need some help. I didn't really test out how good ChatGPT was because the last time I used it for problems was like a year ago, and that was a different version. That was like ChatGPT 4. And it was really bad.
So you're
So
doing pretty good.
I assumed ChatGPT 5 would be better, but not this good.
Or go
Like
see.
I don't think ChatGPT 4 would be able to do like a single one of these. Maybe
I
like
don't think
question
so,
answer.
for sure. C cost is also lost. He's the one that helped you on the grid problem.
Ooh, okay.
Unfortunate. How did ChatGPT lose a
I'm
point?
going back, huh? Okay, yeah. I don't know why I decided to do things this way.
Mm.
5 to 7.
ChatGPT gets another point.
Okay, it's 5 to 8 now.
It's okay, you have 3 minutes of grace period where
Okay.
ChatGPT isn't answering the question. Or 2 minutes now.
Given that A, B, and C are integers with C less than 2025.
Once in Nirvana, but don't wanna die. By the way, in case you guys couldn't tell, the theme this year is like planets and solar system and shit.
Yeah, every other question has to do with that. We alternated the questions. There are 20 total questions and we alternated them.
It goes
Yeah.
regular theme, regular theme, regular
And we're
theme.
gonna say the last 5 questions. I want to do them alone.
Because he's just the goat. The web goat, one could say.
Okay.
Anyone else think ChatGPT's estimation for how long it would take a question to be finished by a human is very off?
No, I set it to be like in the instructions. So I told it to be like how long it would take to go through that solution. Like I told it to not change its problem solving skills, but to like change its computation times to a human. So one of these has a double root.
Also, if you want to send tips, you can. We don't like require it. It would be very, very nice if you did. That'd be
Okay, so
awesome.
this is like a human versus ChatGPT thing now.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
The derivatives unit itself is probably 2 months long, but then you're going to be using that concept throughout the whole course. That is true. ChatGPT is using a hella lot of power. We're not. Destroy the robot. We're trying. For this question, the vector is C, someone says.
What? The vectors? What?
I don't know what they said. Maybe it's the wrong question.
They're bamboozling you.
Wait, no. C cost has said otherwise. He
With
said he
C
said
less
he
than or
said
equal
he
to.
said a squared over 4 is equal to C, but then he said no. That's not
Okay.
right.
Okay. I don't know what to do with this.
Do vertex form?
Hmm. Compute the number of possible values of C.
I read your diary every line. Are we allowed to give
Is it?
wrong hints on purpose? That would be very
No.
cruel of you guys. My gosh.
Please do not.
Do not give
Please
wrong
do not
tips.
give wrong hints on purpose.
Why would you want your AI brethren to win? Ugh, no. Okay.
It's either wait. I think it's either 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's something like that.
Ooh, ChatGPT got it wrong. Oh no, I got it right. Oops.
Oh
ChatGPT
no,
gets another
it's at
one.
9. It's at 9. Okay. These problems are harder than last year's.
Oh yeah,
Maybe
you went to the competition last year actually.
or
Yeah.
maybe I'm just not very good.
No, you
That
are.
could also be an option. Now come on, give me some credit. I'm a little stressed right now.
That is true. It's okay. You have 3 minutes of grace period.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay. All
because
right.
it's been thinking for that time.
I don't know which question to do. I'll try this one. I will try this one. It's 5 to 9, right? Is
Why is ChatGPT winning? Because some of these questions are pretty hard, and he's a human. That's a large language model that
yes,
has
yes, yes.
everything.
That's a very good excuse.
Thank you. Maybe let ChatGPT win in case AI takes over the world someday. Maybe. Aren't
Okay,
all
the reason this has scratch work over it is because we got someone to send us the problems.
that is
So,
true.
they're not out on the website because if they were, ChatGPT would just search them up. That's why we have to do the stream right now and before the questions go up on the website, which is like a few hours from now. If they do go up on the website, then ChatGPT will just search up the answers, and we don't want that.
Thank you, C cost. He has a tip for the other question.
Um, wait. Let me go back to that after I try this one.
Sure. Um, for the free I note that discriminant one is equal to another
Okay.
form place which is which.
One,
That is true.
one, two,
If you combine
three,
your tip,
four,
Alan
five,
Heller, with
six,
C cost's tip,
seven, eight,
that could be
9.
good.
Okay. So we need to pick one U, we need to pick one N, and we need to pick two S's. There are 10 of each letter.
Sons from Andertale. On problem 10 to 5, you just need to count the number of ways to pick S, U, and S in order. Pretty sure this idea has been done in the USACO problem before. Does that make sense?
That is a coding competition, which
So he just says that you need
um
to count the number of ways to pick S, U, and S in order.
that's literally what the question says. Wait,
That is
you misread his chat message, I think.
no.
What did he say? Okay, wait. Wait, no more hints for now. I like this question. I want to do this one myself.
All right, guys. If you guys want to put hints, you can, but I'm not going to tell them for now.
We need to nerf ChatGPT some more. Give it
Oh,
like an extra minute. That way, like it's a normal human instead of like a really fast one.
yeah, because I feel like
Oh my God. Okay.
this problem for 2 to 3 minutes does not make sense. Okay.
10 of each letter. So, okay. So we can pick one, two, three, dot, 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 all the way to 10, right? For S, U, N. So we have S1.
No, 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 no.
So U has to be greater than or equal to N. No, sorry. N is greater than or equal to U, I believe. And
Lots of tips in the chat, my God.
no, something's wrong about this. I think these are flipped. Doesn't really matter in either way.
By
This
snooze
does work,
snooze.
right? I don't know if it does though.
Death by snooze snooze.
Okay, wait. I'm going back to the other one. Give me the hint for this question, I think. Was it this question?
It was that question. Let me go up. So some people said that's starting up there.
So one of these,
Someone said that you need to use the double root here. And he said that one of the equations might be equal to zero. At least exactly one of those equations is equal to zero.
yeah, okay, I got that.
Yeah. And then someone said aren't all whole numbers valid values of C valid?
No, it gives you a restriction. Wait,
It
what?
gives you a
Yeah,
restriction of the problem. Yeah.
I mean like, I don't know if that's what you meant though.
I think he just said all values of C, but I think he read the question wrong. C cost said that a squared over 4 minus b is equal to plus or minus
No,
c.
because A is also an integer, so C can't be any value.
So a squared over 4 minus b is equal to plus or minus c does not make sense.
Wait, what?
He said that a squared over 4 minus b is equal to plus or minus c.
Okay, hold on. I need to wait. I need to keep this here. I can't go out of the box. Let's see here. Do we really solve for C here?
ChatGPT got it wrong. Oh wow.
But that's on a later question.
Yeah, so I'm gonna say try again. It's another chance. But you get hella time.
Give me some time for the other chance as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Difference between two discriminants minus zero is also minus.
Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna solve this one. I'm gonna solve the one on top.
On 7 out of 15, there must be a double root.
Hmm?
He says there must be a double root, maybe.
Yeah, wait. That's what I'm doing. This
Okay.
this is the double root. Yeah.
He said, sorry, all values where the vertex is an integer within the bound. Okay, yeah, that's true. 28. He said, pretty sure you can do this recursively.
Recursive. What?
That might be for the other problem. That might be for the sun's problem. The sun.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's true. Hmm.
Frank Ocean's been
I'm
stuck
trying
in my
to.
head all day.
Do we solve for A or for C? Because let's say
It says compute all values possible for C.
this means A is even. Let's see. So A can go up to, but doesn't B have like no bound at all? So I don't know what's going on here. I will be honest.
C-Car said that I think the equals case would be easier first, no?
Okay, yeah, sure. Equals case. So let's just do this one. And then we can do the B minus C one later. Does stream have delay? How much delay is it?
Delay should be around like 5 to 10 seconds.
Okay, okay.
Every night. ChatGPT is tripping out about this one problem.
I don't know, man.
You want to come back
So
to this one?
no, let me keep working on it. I just need to get used to this. I'm way too stressed right now.
Is Desmos allowed?
Huh?
Is Desmos allowed?
I don't want to use it.
No one use it. If you guys want to, you can, but I prefer like not, just to like, yeah. Note that the roots must be integers, so the discriminant isn't just positive, it's a square.
Wait, I can't listen to that all that right now. Let me do the problem myself. I know, like, I know you guys. A lot of you probably have the answer, but I want to get this myself because
Alright,
otherwise it's just listening to chat.
no
It's
more
chat.
tips for now.
Yeah, it's chat versus ChatGPT. Even though I'm losing a lot, but it's fun.
Okay, ChatGPT gets another point.
All right, it's 5 to 10.
But this one, the question that ChatGPT did took a long time. So I'm gonna make it wait 6 minutes. So you have until 4:31 until I feed another problem.
All right, all right. Number of possible values for C. Okay. Why can't C be any number? I don't understand that part. Because say if like if I give C a random number, like let's say C is 100, I can just find a value of B such that A squared, like A is a perfect square, right? And A and B have no restrictions on it. Wait, can I have multiple tries? Or no?
What do you mean multiple tries?
Can I have like multiple tries on each question?
Yeah, obviously.
I mean, okay, I'll guess wait, no, hold on.
You just need to solve it. I don't care how many tries you take.
I just need to solve it?
Yeah, you
Okay.
just need an answer.
So negative 100 to 2025. It's 2126, I believe. Mm, yeah. It's 2126 the answer.
This was
I don't
for
think it is.
four of the regular?
Yeah, I don't think it is, but
It is not.
it is not. Okay.
Let me see. I'm pretty sure ChatGPT got this one. Okay, ChatGPT got it right.
Okay, my brain's kind of blanking right now. I don't know where to proceed from this. I haven't tried this question, but I don't want to do that. That looks so boring. You know what?
It's a lot.
Let's
It's
just do it.
very
Let's
boring.
just do it. Let's just do
Let's just do it.
it. Okay. I need a mental break from this.
That question looks draining. My gosh.
No, I should be getting these normally, but I'm just not. Okay. Where are my keybinds? There we go.
Where can you find these problems? Check the website for check the HMMT website,
I don't think they're up that. Yeah, up.
but they might
Yeah.
not be up. Yeah, I was about to
We
say.
chose the window where like the competition was over. Everyone's done these problems already. Like everyone at the
They've
competition has
been
done these
tested.
problems already, but they're not out on the website yet because if they are on the website, ChatGPT will find them and yeah, it wouldn't be getting any of these wrong. Oh no, this is supposed to say 10. Oh, why did I choose to do things like this?
Would you like to read one hint
Hmm.
for this problem?
Huh?
Would you
No, I
like a
don't
hint?
think no, I'll try it myself.
Yes, sir.
So each is one, two, three, or four. What else can we get?
I think you're right though,
Mm-mm.
Chris, and RC as well.
They don't even have to be distinct. Do we just, I'm just gonna plug one in and see what happens because I don't exactly know what's going on here. Why not?
You still have 3 minutes of grace
Um,
period.
this is E. Oh, wait, what the? How did I not realize that? Okay, so this has to be 9. Wait, what? Okay, so this is also a 1. Okay, I didn't see that. I didn't see that. A plus E equals A. That means E has to be 9, and there's a carryover thing here. So this is 4, 4, and this is 4. E is 9. Okay, we'll make this 9. Oh, wait. Okay, I forgot about regrouping over here. Um, what else is going on here? Any other easy giveaways? I don't think so. Wait, turn the volume down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 9 plus R. Okay, so R plus T equals 4, and then 9 plus R equals T. Or R plus T equals 14, and 10 plus R equals T, in which case R would equal T, in which case R and T would both be 7. Does that work? 7, 7. That does not work because T plus A, unless A is also 9, Does this work?
First, we got these problems from someone who took the exam already. We have these problems before anyone else
Wait,
does.
does this? Hold on. Let me see if this works. Um, 17. I think it does. Is the answer what is it asking? It's asking for Earth. Is the answer 99774?
The answer to that question is 99774.
Okay.
Give yourself a
Oh, all
point.
right, perfect. Okay, so uh that's a mental block that I just got myself out of. Hopefully I can start locking in now. I want to try this one. Or he can decrease his z coordinate, given that he cannot visit any point twice. Calvin. Oh my goodness. Okay. Why does that have to be 3D? That's annoying. And he can decrease his z coordinate by 1 at any time. Oh, he can do that a lot of times. That's a lot of paths. I'll probably come back to this. This looks quite complicated.
Kelvin has a lot of different paths. My God.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. That one looks pretty challenging. Hopefully this one is like slightly better.
Snooze.
Yes. Hmm. Okay, I'll just test a smaller case. Let's say we have SUNS. Yeah. Someone said recursion earlier, I think.
They
So
did.
this is one.
Pretty sure they're
Oh,
twins.
wait, no, hold on. No.
20 IQ.
SUNS. SUN. Stop calling me 20 IQ.
No, the dude in the chat, his name is 20 IQ, who told you to do it recursively. With 20 IQ, you have a lot more than 20 IQ.
Okay. Thank you, 20 IQ. Uh, if you have 3 of these, how much would that be? I'm trying to see if I can find some sort of pattern here. So, 1. Okay, let's just say we have these two S's. Okay, if we have these first two S's, that is 1, right? Oh, if you have these, okay. So for each of this, you have, so okay, let's call this X. Here's my idea right now. We call this X, right? And let's call this Y. Stop making those noises. What is your phone doing? Put your phone
Okay.
on silent.
I'm putting my phone on
Put
silent.
your phone on silent. Okay. You take this X will equal whatever Y is plus uh if you put these two S's here and then you pick a U and N out of those. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do this. 2 times if you have two suns. Okay, so you have SUN, right? That would be 1 because you can only if you only have access to these 4 digits, I mean letters, and you have to remove 2, right? You have to remove these 2 in order to get suns. There's no other way to get suns. So that's 1. If we have 3 suns, okay. If we have 3 of these instead.
Seen a lot of good suggestions in the chat.
Okay, wait, don't
I
read them
know.
to me right now.
I know.
Okay. So then we pick these two S's, right? And then we can pick U and N out of these. So we can pick this, or this. Okay. Is there any way we can count those? We can generalize those. You know what? Not right now. This is 1 plus 3, 4.
Ooh, ChatGPT got another one wrong.
Okay. That's pretty nice. It's still at 10. Okay. So it is slightly stuck right now.
Yeah, ChatGPT is actually in a slump right now. The last two questions gotten wrong.
Hmm. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 4 times SUN. We would then pick these two S's, right? Yeah, we would pick those two S's, and then we would pick a U and N from out of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Peter
Oh,
Thigh. Peter Thigh gets it now. Peter Thigh gets it now.
okay. There's surely some way to calculate this faster than just brute forcing it, but I'm going to brute force it because my brain is fried right now. How many of these are there? Okay, so right here is two, three suns, four suns, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and we have 10 of them. Is that correct? That looks correct. 20, 35, 56, 84. Yeah, okay. And then 81, 165. Is that the answer?
This is
To
number five on the
theme?
themes.
Yes.
Number five on themes is not.
It is not 165. We did something wrong. Wait, what? No, 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 no. Okay. Why is it not 165?
Peter Tsai is going crazy in the damn chat.
Okay, I know he's yelling at me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
No, 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 no. He's not
Okay,
yelling at you. He said tech
okay.
guy mentioned me. Oh my God, he's going crazy.
I need to lock in here. What did I do wrong here? Two suns is one, right? Three suns,
That is
you
true,
have
Chris.
normal suns, and then you can pick one, two, that, that. You can either pick, so you have to pick these two S's if and then given these, how many UNs can we pick? One, two, and three. Yeah,
Chris,
what's going on?
there is no we. I'm not doing shit.
How is this not right?
Did you forget? Are you counting suns or not? Are you counting suns or sun?
Is that a hint or?
20 IQ is asking. You're counting suns, not sun, right?
Yeah, but this is like what I mean by two times sun is like look right here. There are 30 letters. There are 10 suns. There are 10 suns. So we have to like find the end goal. Okay, am I missing something?
Jason said he thinks that you might have forgotten to multiply the number of ways to get each interval of S.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh yeah, yeah. Because this is not actually four because I forgot to count this.
And Mr. Peter Tsai, that is correct.
Okay, okay. Oh my God, this is gonna be so much more annoying to calculate. Okay, so
Thank you for
this
that,
is
Jason.
1 times 2. So the previous thing times 2 plus what's going on here? Is this the equals? I'll put the 3 in front to make
Yeah.
it easier on me. 3 plus 1 times 2 equals
All right.
5. Yeah, that's 5. Okay. Oh my goodness. 6 plus. So we have this area available to us. We have sun. Okay. So these two. This is so complicated. What on earth?
Mr. Seacott said that when you move the S over to the right, you can add the previous sum. So it's 3 plus 1 plus 2 times sum.
3 plus 1 times 2. What do you mean 1 times 2 times
Like
sun?
he said here, when you move the S over to the right, you can add the previous sum. So it's 3 plus 1 plus 2 times sum.
Yeah, that's what I have here. Wait, is that not?
But then what did you get for the number of suns? Was it 165?
No, no, don't worry about that right now. That one's just completely wrong. Oh, I think I know what he's saying.
We
I think
can't
I
add
know what
anyone
he's
that's live, Mr. Peter Tsai,
I
unfortunately.
I know what he's saying. So when we count 4 times sun, right? When we count whatever's in this box, we can we can take this. So this one was 5, right? We're gonna add 5.
You have a good page. ChatGPT's been doing the same question for the past like 7 minutes.
Is it? It's still writing. It says it's writing code. I
I don't
don't
know what
even
it's
know what
doing.
it's doing. Okay.
That problem is apparently
Okay.
that hard.
Okay, well, good thing I'm not on that problem. So 6 plus 5, and then you also add 1, right? Because you have this one that wasn't counted. No, wait, what? But then you wouldn't have counted, for example, these two S's. So I'll back up for a bit. These two s's is 6.
Playing basketball.
I don't think I'm gonna do recursion. I
No
think
recursion. No
no
recursion.
recursion. I will just go straight to 10x then. Because if we pick these two s's, then how much
Nope.
is that? Wait, don't sit on the tail. It's gonna break.
Hello.
10 times sun. This will be
Network connection lost? What?
hold on. They're two apart.
We broke ChatGPT, guys.
Okay, if we have two consecutive s's, then that's 1. If there's an s in between, then that's 3. Two s's in between. 3 s's in between. 4 s's in between. 5 s's in between. 6 s's in between. 7 s's in between. And okay, 8 s's in between. So if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 s's in between,
Thanks.
and this would be 45. So if we pick these two s's, then that would be 45 for that case. And then we would add 2 times 36 plus 3 times... Do we add this? All this up?
Do you get a calculator on the exam?
No, you do not.
So,
There's probably a way to simplify this, but I don't have time for that. So I will just go and calculate this. Did I add that yet? I don't really know. 450, 495. Is that correct?
495 is the correct answer.
Yes. Okay, we finally got one. We finally got one. I mean, we sort of are catching up, but I don't think we will be able to.
No,
Hey,
ChatGPT's been stuck
do you
for like
think if
4 minutes.
hold on. 7 to 10, right? This question I got wrong. If I go back and find out like why I got it wrong, and then I get the right answer,
Then you'd be at
can I
80.
get a point?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You
It's
know what?
just it's
Our
just answer
competition,
solved.
our rules, like
It's just answers solved by the end of the time. If you get enough right, you shall get.
given that NV, okay, I really don't know what I did wrong here because NV is parallel to SU, right? So I'll draw the diagram again
Let's get
because
some tips,
it
guys.
looks kind of confusing from here. 24. Let's
Which round
not
of HMMT is this?
huh? This year's.
This year's round. I'm not sure what rounds there are.
This is the general round.
General round.
Yeah, these problems are not anywhere on the internet, right? As of right
As
now.
of right now,
Yeah.
these are
Yeah.
unreleased.
Yes, yes, these are exclusive.
These are
These
exclusive.
are
You're the
exclusive.
first to get it ever.
Okay,
You can't see what?
Venus. So VENUS. Okay, I spelled that right. Thank goodness. Given that NV is parallel to SU, yes, that's good. SE is parallel to UN, and triangle SUN has area 36. 24. Calculate of EU maximum possible area of triangle EUV. Yeah, that's what I'm confused about. Because look, if
Your
this is
face cam is
24,
blocking the diagram.
huh?
Your face cam is blocking the
It
diagram.
is? Okay.
Yes.
I will delete this, and I will
Thank
leave
you
it
for
here.
good comms, Peter Sai.
If I will, if the area of this is 24, then shouldn't the area of this uh be 24 as well? Shouldn't the area of this be 24 as well? Because they have the same height and the same base? Or am I missing something?
Anyone chat now?
And this should be 24 as well. What the hell?
What?
Oh,
ChatGPT.
there's a little hole there. That's why. When I use when I
They
use the
said yes,
fill
that's
command,
correct.
yes, that is correct. Can you check the answer again?
For this question,
Yeah, this question.
this is three of the
Theme, right?
theme. Three of the theme is
Did you copy
37.
down it wrong? Wait, what happened there? Why is that? Did I copy it wrong?
What do you mean?
It shouldn't be 37. Go to what ChatGPT got.
Three for theme.
It should be 36. I don't know what I did wrong.
ChatGPT got this one wrong. It got 132.
No, by all means, 36 should be the correct answer. It should be like the area of triangle EUV should be 36 no matter what.
Do you guys agree with that? I'll give him the point if you guys all in chat know if that's correct.
Okay. Yeah.
And ChatGPT is tweaking out about this one question, so I'm gonna let it do
I
it
don't
for a bit.
how did it get 132? That's more than the area of the whole Pentagon. Okay, wait. Look at chat.
36 looks right. Definitely seems
Definitely
right.
looks right. Okay.
All right,
You
get the
know what?
point
We
for
we
that.
get 8 points. I guess. That felt kind of cheated, but
Not really. I
wait,
think that's
how
fun.
is our answer key wrong?
I don't know. Maybe the person you got answers from is a little bit of an
All right. Okay.
idiot. Okay,
Okay, it's 8 to 10 now.
it is 8 to
I'm
10.
feeling better.
Lock in.
Let's try. Hey, how many viewers do we have?
30 something.
Okay.
28 actually.
Okay.
It's going between like 35 and 28. It's fluctuating.
Let A, B, C, D, given that BC equals 10 and AD equals 39, compute absolute value of AB minus CD.
Calvin the Frog. Is this what cool kids do on their Saturday? Yeah, this is. That's why you're not cool, Peter. How can you be cool kid? You can't. You were born uncool.
Hey, you gave us a hint. Leave him alone. Wait, who gave us a hint?
No one gave a hint.
Oh, no one gave a hint.
Anyone have any hints for this one? YC app when? What does that mean?
Huh?
What is YC app? YC app when?
I, I don't know what that means.
Could you clarify comically high 2730?
I'm confuddled here.
We have a hint.
Did we just love cosines this?
Someone said use batch law of cosines, and then
Oh well. Okay, yeah.
CYCY Gaming said AD is equal to 39, so AB plus CD is equal to 29.
I okay. I don't want to do this, man.
You have to do cosine rules.
No, that's gonna be so long. Is there? Come on. I think
ChatGPT gets a point.
there's got to be a better way to do
For the
this.
first time in ChatGPT, in 20 minutes, ChatGPT 20 has gotten a point.
Okay. First to 13 wins. We might have to tone that down because these problems are harder than I thought. Or maybe yeah, because last year I got way more points at
Honestly, you're
this.
doing
And
pretty good for a human versus a language model, so I would not be too sad. Plus, you're the winner in our hearts.
thank you.
Not in Peter's size, though.
120.
That's facts. Cosine stuff is annoying.
I don't want to do this, man. No, I'm trying to look for a better solution. I don't want to do law of cosines. I'm gonna have to do two of them, and then I'm gonna have to do it again.
What is a Y Combinator?
Huh?
Y Combinator app? No clue what that means. Anyway.
I've heard of that. Like that name sounds familiar. It's like, but I don't know what it is. I think it's some sort of organization or
20
something.
IQ said use coordinate geometry plus law of coordinates cosines.
No, I'm not doing that.
And then
No,
no, Peter Sai
you
said
might
that.
be 20 IQ for that. That will take like
No,
50
no,
minutes.
Peter Sai said that actually. Peter Sai, I'm sorry, no. 20 IQ actually said AE squared is equal to 100 plus 10x plus x squared. Where's E?
Okay, yeah, but okay, you know what? Cosine of 120 is. Oh wait, okay. It doesn't have a root 3 in it. Okay.
ABE is similar to AED is similar to ECD.
Wait, say that again? They're similar triangle, like what?
ABE is
Yeah.
similar to AED is similar to ECD.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Does that make
Yes,
sense?
yes, yes. Okay, that's a really good idea.
Good job, Chris. You need to find AE times DE.
Okay, let's just make this x. Okay, why did I just erase it then? X to 10. I should probably draw a better diagram for this than math. So, x to 10 equals AE to 39, right? So this is 10 over, no, this is 39 over 10x. Is that correct? Did
What'd
I
you
mix
get?
it up? Huh?
Um,
Wait, not yet. Oh no, this is completely wrong. This is completely wrong.
that wraps it up because AB over BE is equal to CE over CD.
Wait a minute. This is the 120 degree angle. This is the 120 degree angle. So x to 10 equals AE to ED. Okay, so AE to ED equals x to 10. On this other side, CD over ED. No, what am I doing? ED over AE equals 29 minus x over 10. Is that correct? So therefore, 100 equals 29x minus x squared. Oh, yeah, that was great. Who suggested the similarity thing?
Chris.
Chris. Thank you, Chris. Okay, no more Chris hate. Okay. I don't want to hear anything bad about Chris. Facecam hopefully isn't blocking that. Facecam is like on the bottom left. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we solved that. Plus 100 equals 0. What is this again? 29 squared. Wow. 841.
41.
Oh, that's 441 is 21 squared. So this is just 21. Okay. And since we have this, is the answer 21, perhaps, for chance?
Your chance 21
Yes.
for this is number 5 regular round?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay. The score is now 9-11. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. We're getting
We are
demonetized.
getting
We are getting
demonetized.
demonetized. What should I do? Hold on.
I don't know.
We're going back to Kelvin the Frog.
Chris, you are cooking.
Kelvin the Frog is at 0.000.
ChatGPT just solved Kelvin the Frog's problem.
You know what? We're gonna make this first to 12 wins. I don't want to do this anymore. I can't read chat. I would love to read chat right now. But we're gonna make it first to
That
12.
guy's
Okay,
gonna try
yeah.
problems. That guy's gonna fail miserably. Do some more geometry.
Do some more geometry. This is geometry. Okay,
This
don't
is
worry.
geometry, Chris.
Actually, no, this
I'm
is not
sure.
even geometry. This is not geometry
This
at
is
all.
not
This is
geometry.
this is this is more combinatoric.
Chris is the goat at geometry.
This is geometry. Do you want to do this, Chris? I would love to do this. Regular hexagon.
The wish has
Oh, it's a
come true.
regular hexagon. That surely the question won't be that bad, right?
Surely. This is the one that ChatGPT took 20 minutes to do.
Oh, okay. You know what? Hey, if we do,
ChatGPT could not solve this. Make tech guy do some
I
math.
love how they were probably limited by the the names of the planets. Like they looked at Saturn. Oh, we need to do a hexagon for that. Any problem not involving a hexagon is off the table. With vertices and counter. Oh, great.
Kelvin said, no, not Kelvin. Chris said on the Kelvin problem, x plus y is a monovariant. Not clue what that means.
Oh, we're going to go back to that
Later.
later.
Make tech guy do math. Tech guy is not going to do some math right now,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
tech guy's in charge of the chat until he
Yes.
has to leave.
He'll have to leave, which is pretty soon, actually.
With Silent too.
About
So
6
hopefully
minutes.
ChatGPT gets another problem soon.
ChatGPT just answered one. Let's see if it's right. Yes, it is right. ChatGPT
Okay,
gets a
you have to
point.
wait for it though, because I have the grace period.
You have the
Yeah,
grace
you have
period.
the while it computes. So
You
I have
have
five.
it. You
I
have
have
it.
5 minutes to answer 3 questions,
So until tech
which
guy
is not
leaves.
possible. Yeah. Has Silent 2. Point O is the reflection of T over S. What the hell? Okay, you have to rotate this around O. Okay, a reflection of T over across S. Yeah. Wait, that might not be that bad now that I think of it.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna have to shrink this down though.
what a fantastic question. I agree.
Okay, and I will make my pen a little bit smaller. There we go. So we rotate this. Does that look 45 degrees to you guys? Yeah, sure. Why not?
Reminder, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you're watching the stream.
If you enjoyed it.
If you enjoyed it, of
Yeah.
course.
Okay. What a mess.
There's arcs that each point makes, lol.
Yeah. Um, does this trace out? No. Okay. So we can completely disregard n for now.
Mm,
because N is farther away from O than S is. So S is tracing out the area, not N.
ooh.
Okay. So I will draw the arcs here. Huh. Um, oh, we will have to do N, but that's later, I think. Okay. Well, this isn't the best drawing. Okay, so OST are collinear. I would use the line tool here, but last time I used the line tool, it crashed the entire app, and I don't want that to happen again. So no matter what, do not press Y, because the app will crash. Okay. So the 2 points we need to consider, I think, are S and U. Everything else does not have anything to do with pi. So this is our
Sue.
wait. Wait, what?
Just rotate pi by 4, is what someone
Yes.
said.
Um,
Doesn't the smallest radius and biggest radius stay the same?
yeah. Wait, let me think about this. My drawing's not good enough. If I had,
It looks like
uh,
a macaroni.
okay, it does look like a macaroni. It looks like a hexagonal macaroni.
Hexagonal macaroni. When will I use this in the real world? I said this shit like 30 minutes ago. There's no
Yeah,
scenario.
this is a math competition. None of
Yeah,
this gets used in the real world at all.
promise you.
Unless you are making hexagonal macaroni.
Unless I'm making
Yeah,
hexagonal
yeah.
macaroni, then I
You
might
might
look
want,
at
yeah,
this.
you might want to compute the area its interior traces out. So, okay.
Literally, unironically, just plot coordinates. This is easy.
No, I refuse to use coordinates.
Okay, comically high, you do it, and then tell us your answer, and I'll tell you if it's correct or not.
Okay, you know what? Let's start with the some stuff that's not pi right now. These don't get traced out into pi. So this entire half of the hexagon, what's the formula again? You know what? I don't remember the formula. I think we're gonna have to 2 root 3 root 3 over 4 root 3 3 root 3. Okay, so this area is 3 root 3.
All right, Peter, so how you do it and tell me your answer as well.
Oh, Peter's gonna get it.
Peter's not getting it.
This is also, I believe, yeah, this is also. So the full area would be 6 root 3. That's not pi, I think. Okay, but then where does this arc come in? Why is that arc so goofy?
Someone said just 1/4 the area of the difference between the two circles, but remember to also subtract the overlapping hexagons for each quarter
Yeah, but
turn.
I don't see two circles here though. I see like this and then this goofy arc over here. And they don't align in the center. I don't know what's going on. I think it's because I drew the diagram so badly.
Comically high, I think we knew that. R, N, and O are collinear.
R, N, and O. Which R, which N, and which O?
Could you clarify,
Oh,
Mr.
yes,
20
I see,
IQ?
I see, I see, I see.
He sees.
Oh, okay. It's starting to come together. The hexagonal macaroni is starting to look slightly more structural.
Guys, tech
Uh,
guy might have to leave now. I'll wait 5 more minutes, then tech guy will go.
oh, wait. Well, ChatGPT was supposed to finish this by now. So, um, we'll give ChatGPT the point. Say it's first to 12 wins, because I don't want to go till 13. Uh, why?
I think it was obvious ChatGPT was going to win, but
Yeah.
you put up a good fight.
All right. 9 points. Not horrible. With
That's
the
actually
help of
really good.
chat, with the help of a lot of chatters. How long has it been since we started stream?
It has been at least an hour.
That has been quite a long time.
What's it called? How much time do you actually get on the exam?
Huh? I
Oh,
think 50 minutes.
that's
Well,
it?
no, 50 minutes times 2, because this is 2 rounds in 1.
So
Yeah.
yeah. So okay.
Okay, yeah.
Not bad. Not bad.
But this is less one than what I got last year, which is kind of sad, considering I have chat with me. Ah.
An hour and 20 minutes about. GG's, GG's, guys.
Yep. Hey, say it to ChatGPT. I want to see what it says.
Bet it won.
Huh? Yeah.
You won this competition.
Is there any way to screen share that? Get that on the stream? No, there's not, right? Yeah. I'll
It's
keep going on the hexagonal map
of
image.
had no calculator and limited its
Okay,
score.
let's focus back on this S and U while he talks to ChatGPT. S is the closest, and U is the farthest. But the problem is vertices N and T, because they kind of they do some weird stuff. I think I'm gonna draw a better diagram. Where do we go? You know what? We'll just go here. We'll move this off to the side, and we will draw a better diagram with the grid. Curve 3 should be around there, right?
My battery has not gone up 1% this whole time.
Hmm?
My battery has not gone up 1% this whole time.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's charging too many things at once.
ChatGPT said you did a really impressive job.
Oh, hey, that's nice. Okay, we've drawn a hexagon that's slightly better than the one over there. Actually, no, it's not. It's pretty much the same. How do you draw a good diagram? And then we reflect this over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably around here would be O.
That is correct, Mr. Peter Sai. That's the right answer.
Oh, he got it.
Peter Sai got the right answer.
Good job. Wait, that's really good. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to lock in.
What are you using to draw? He's using an app called Pencil 2D. And he has a drawing tablet in front of him.
Okay, this diagram is slightly better, I think. Or at least it should be more accurate. So this is farther away, which means that this arc.
That's a really good drawing.
Thank you. And then this kind of. Okay,
Have you made JMO or AMO?
yes, I have.
Which one?
JMO. I
JMO.
was 1 point off of MOP, which was kind of sad. The cutoff was 35 and I got 34.
Ooh. That's right,
But it's
Peter
all
Sai.
good. Hey, if that didn't happen, I would not be here right now. I would not have been making YouTube videos all summer.
Look at
So
that. C
yeah,
class
I
said,
was a lot better than I was right now.
C
Uh,
class asked, what are you using to draw? And I explained. He said, oh yeah, I'm remembering now is about his Pencil 2D rant. When did you
oh
rant
yeah,
about Pencil
no,
2D?
I like there was a 4 minute video and in the middle my drawing tablet crashed and and I crashed out about for 2 minutes and the video was like half a rant about drawing software.
Chris said you're cracked.
Thank you. Clearly not right now.
He's
Yeah,
not in his
I'm a little
prime.
nervous.
This guy's not in his
But
prime.
yeah, but I haven't practiced math in like about a year. Pretty much the entire time I've been doing YouTube. Yeah,
It's been chem this whole
it's
time.
been chemistry.
Chemistry sucked.
We have so much work.
Gosh. We have
Okay,
120 question
let me
things
draw
to
this
do.
arc. Let me draw this arc, and then all right, goodbye.
I'm not, hold on, I'm still here. Don't worry. For a second. You want my mic stand? I don't need it anymore.
Oh yeah. Wait, no, hold on. No, no, take your mic stand. I do not want a random mic stand in my room. All right. Is this a good enough diagram? I can look at chat now. How can I pull up chat on the side? Is there a way I can do that? Like I
There
can
should be.
put chat like over here while I work. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna change this up
Your
since you're
pen's
not
a
here
bit
anymore.
more. What grade you in? We're juniors.
Um,
All right, guys.
then
Tech guy's leaving.
say bye to
Unfortunately.
tech guy.
Respond to Michael.
Hmm? Respond to Michael in the chat.
Potatoes is now saying hi as tech guy's leaving. Hello, Potatoes.
All right. Okay, so this is our diagram, and we are trying to find this area, I will put it in yellow. I don't know why I'm lagging right now.
Adios, guys. I'll be back for another stream. Promise. Tech guy's not gone anywhere. I'll be looking at chat though. I will be looking at chat. So if you guys need to say anything,
Yes.
my thing is what? Flubsley Gaming?
Flubsley Gaming. Yeah, check out his channel too, if you want to have a good laugh at him.
God, that was 3 years ago.
Okay, so we have our hexagonal macaroni over here.
I'm tech guy. Adios. Bye, stream.
Bye-bye. Okay, it's just you and me now, chat. What did we calculate this to be? This area over here. It was, what was it? It was three, oh, okay. This whole thing, all this was 3 root 3, which means that this over here is square root 3. I'll write that here. And what else can we find? Okay, we should, oh no, this is really strange. This is our arc. This right here is our arc. Okay, right here to right here is a 45-degree arc, right? Okay. And this point is the midpoint of these 2 points. So these 2 points, midpoint right here. Okay, yeah, I think I got it here from now on. This is root 3, which means this is 3 root 3 over 2. This is 3 root 3, which means this is 4 root 3 over 2. Is that correct? Maybe not. We'll check that later. Maybe it's not correct. And then over here, what's this radius right here? This radius right here is 2 root 3. And this outer radius is 4 root 3. So this squared is 12 times pi, right? And then we divide by 8. We have to divide by 8 because this is 45 degrees sector. No, wait, okay, hold on. Yeah, 3 over 2 pi. And then we multiply by 3 because we're trying to find this area, not this area. We multiply by 4 minus 1, so 9 over 2 pi. So this right here is 9 over 2 pi. Did I mess anything up? I want to double check real quick if I messed anything up or not. This right here. Ah, wait a minute. This is 2 root 3 over 2, not 3 root 3 over 2. So this combined, these two combined is 3 root 3. Wait. Wait, why did I divide by 2? It's just 3, it's 6 root 3. And then this is 9 pi over 2. Is that correct? I'm going to check it real quick because I have the answers here as well. What question is it? Is this the theme round? Okay. It's the answer is 5 pi plus 6 root 3. So we got 6 root 3 wrong. We somehow messed up 5 pi over here. Does anyone know what we messed up on? There was an extra 1/2 pi that we didn't account for. The O to the US would be helpful. It's the radius of the arc squared over, yeah. Hmm. I don't really know how you get 5 pi though. Where did the extra pi come from? Oh, we didn't count this little bit right here, I think. Is that the problem? Is our drawing not good enough? Like this little bit right here. Maybe that wasn't counted? What did we not count? I'm getting kind of bored of this problem. You know what? Uh, You guys can figure that out if you like. Anyway, the problems and solutions will all be on the website, and probably let me check if they're on right now. HMT tournament schedule, past tournaments, archive. They're not on right now. Okay. So we are still the only people with this problem. But I don't want to do that one right now. If you want to do it, let me know and tell me what I did wrong. But I want to do another problem. Here are all of them. Wait, let me pull up the timeline. I have them all saved here somewhere. So this one, and this one. I don't have the answers to, as well as this and this. So I want to do some other problems. Do you want to go back to Kelvin the Frog, or maybe this one? Anyone in chat? Ancient Neptunian ritual consisting of drawing marbles from a bag. Okay, we will do that one. That one does look interesting. We don't have the answer. We don't have the answer to that, but hopefully we can get it. And in about an hour, we will be able to find out if we were right or not. But this is number 9, so it will be really hard. My throat's also hurting, so I'll probably end stream soon. Triton performs an ancient Neptunian ritual consisting of drawing red, green, and blue marbles from a bag. Initially, okay, so Triton is here, and his bag has 3 marbles of each color. Oh no, it just crashed. What's going on? I'm lagging. No, the app's not responding. What happened? Okay, there we go. I think what happened was that we tried to fill. Oh, I used the fill paint with paint thing, which as you can see, it like fills everything with paint. But the problem is there was like a gap in between. There was a gap like right here in between the holes, and it just tried to fill the pretty much the entire drawing surface. So 3 reds, three greens. Oh, there was another hole, and it's gonna crash again. It's gonna take 10 seconds to get back up. Okay. First, before you use the fill tool, cover up these holes. Okay, now we can use it. Okay. Okay, is it working? There we go. And blue. Okay, great. It just took us 2 minutes to draw the diagram. Initially, Triton has 3 marbles of each color, so Triton already has these. And there's some more. There's some more in the bag. Every turn, Triton picks 1 marble to put into the bag, and then draws 1 marble uniformly at random from the bag, possibly the one he just discarded. The ritual is completed once Triton has 6 marbles of one color and 3 of another. Compute the expected number of turns this ritual will take. I think we use Markov chains. So what that is we have some states. State? Oh, there was a great Veritasium video on this, if you want to watch that. Um, I guess I'll explain what they are as we go, in case you've never heard of them. Initially, yes, I don't like this problem. This problem is quite difficult. Yes, because the probability values change as you move around. I don't think we can use Markov chains because normally when you have Markov chains, the probability that you switch from one state to another is fixed. But now it changes. It changes based on your current position. And if we're going to write out every possible state for Triton's marbles, then that's going to take a ridiculous amount of time. Any ideas in the chat? because I don't have anything. Markov chains. Yeah. Can you go back to the Kelvin problem real quick? I think I got it. Um, is the whole test 10 problem or what? There are two rounds of 10 problems each. And there's some more, but we're not going to do those today, at least. I'll go back to the Kelvin problem, the Kelvin the frog, right? After we at least give this a decent attempt. And I don't think we will. I don't think we'll solve this, but hopefully we can get some good progress on it because number 9 and number 10, usually around two people in the country end up solving it. So these are pretty difficult problems. Any ideas besides Markov chains? The ritual, so the ritual is completed once Titran has all the marbles of one color and none of the marbles from another. How about we run a test run just to see what's going to happen? Okay? One, two, three. So let's say Triton. You know what? I'm gonna make some more. I'm going to make some more marbles here. No holes in each of them. We can fill them in without the app completely crashing. There we go. Okay, that's too close. So here are Triton's marbles on the left. Okay, Triton's marbles on the left. I'll switch back to the black pen. Triton's marbles on the left, and the other ones are in the back. So he picks a marble at random and switches it. Let me read the question again. Picks one marble, possible. Okay. So every turn. Oh, wait, I didn't notice this. Triton plays optimally to minimize this value, and then draws one marble uniformly at random. Okay, we definitely cannot use Markov chain in that case. So, okay, the first turn, by symmetry, everything is the same. So Triton picks one and puts it in the bag, right? Yeah. And then draws one marble uniformly. Then draws a random marble. So there is a 3 in 5 chance that he will get like a marble that's not blue. That he'll have this configuration. We're not going to care about red or green. We're just going to care about mm, we're only going to care about like the number of marbles of each because I think that's the only thing that matters. So if Triton is in the 3-3-3 situation, right? I mean, removing any one of the marbles is going to be the same. So this will land him in the this will land him back at 3-3-3, where if he gets this blue marble back, that's a 4 in 10 chance. There are 10 marbles here. There's a 4 in 10 chance that he'll get it back. So this is 2/5 chance. And this can also go to 4-3-2 with a 3 in 5 chance. In which case where he gets a green or a red marble, in which case he would have 4-3-2 or 3-2 or 3-4-2, but that's the same thing in our eyes. So, oh wait, maybe we can use Markov chains. Is my face cam blocking it? Let me. Okay. Oh, I forgot to transition. Yeah, I don't know why, but OBS Studio has this dumb thing where after you make a change here, you have to like transition it. You have to remember to press this button. And I don't know, I've never done this before, but there you go. It should be fixed now. Okay, whatever, yeah. First stream ever, things are gonna go wrong. So yeah, we have 4-3-2. Now what do you think Triton's optimal strategy in this case is? He should probably put a blue one. He should probably put a blue one into the basket, right? If it's 4-3-2. If Triton has 4-3-2 marbles, so 4 reds, 3 greens, 2 blues, he should probably take a blue one and put it in there and put it in the bag because he wants to completely get rid of. a single color. So from here, he's got there are 5 blue marbles here, so he has a 5 in 10 chance or a 1/2 chance of going back to 4-3-2. He has a 3 in 10 chance of picking a green marble, which would send him into a 4-4-1 situation. And last of all, he has a 1 in 5 chance of picking a red marble, which would give him a 5-3-1. Okay, so we have two new scenarios here, 4-4-1 and 5-3-1. Let's tackle 4-4-1 first. Okay, so 4-4-1 is... You might think that his optimal strategy is to pick the blue one, which it might be, I don't really know, but keep this in mind. If he picks a blue one and he maybe he'll get like a red or a green one, right? He'll be in a 4-5-0 situation, which he doesn't really want because he wants 6-3-0 and nothing else. He only wants this. So, but but if you put this back, actually I don't know. What would be the optimal strategy in this case? Yeah, the bag is not playing optimally to give back the thing that he has the lowest of. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's always optimal. It seems like it, but I can't prove it for certain, is the thing. Well, okay, let's assume that it is. Let's assume, so if he has 4-4-1, right, he would give back the blue marble to the bag, and then in and he would have a 3 in 5 chance of picking the blue marble again, and then in which case he would go back to 4-4-1. He has a and he has a 2 in 5 chance. Like everything else, every other outcome will end up with him having 5-4-0. 5-4-0 is quite good actually. Yeah, I think you are right. The most optimal strategy is always to pick the lowest amount of marbles, even though it means he will get into this 5-4-0 position. I think that's better than risking the chance of taking a step back to 4-3-2. Okay, 5-4-0. Okay, but if he has 5-4-0, let's see what the probability is in that case. So he has 5 red, 4 green. What's going on here? He would pick the green. Yeah. He would put the green in the back, in which case he has a 1 in 10 chance to win. A 1 in 10 chance to win. A a 1 in 10 chance to win. Okay, wait, I should probably change the stream title because I'm clickbaiting now. I'm not doing ChatGPT like me versus ChatGPT anymore. Okay, everyone new to the stream, ChatGPT won, okay? It was 9-12, and so I'm gonna change the title. Oh crap, I don't have a thumbnail. Look, this thumbnail. I only made that thumbnail. I forgot that I had to make a different thumbnail for after I beat ChatGPT. You know what? This is not clickbait. This is not clickbait. Because the title, it never mentioned anything about ChatGPT. I don't know why there's a ChatGPT in the thumbnail, but I didn't definitely didn't put that there. So 1/10 so you have a 1/10 chance of winning here, where he picks the red marble, and then he has a 6-3-0, which the problem says is exactly what Triton wants. That's when the ritual is done. 1/10 chance of winning. And he can get this green marble back. That's a 3 in 10 chance, where he just goes back to having 5-4-0. There's a and there's all the rest of the probability. The rest of the probability, 3/5, goes to getting. Let's see if he gets a blue back. What situation does he have? He has a 5-3-1. I need to be so careful. If I make one mistake, I just mess the entire problem up. I don't know if this is the right way to do it. I think it is. Hopefully it is. Okay. So we've considered everything down this road. We still need to consider this. Yeah, we still need to consider 531. What will happen in this case? Hey, do you think Triton would rather be in a 540 scenario or a 531 scenario? Because both are pretty close to being 630. Or maybe he prefers them the same. I don't really know. Wait, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. Hey, tech guy is back. Um,
That guy was hungry.
is that all you got? McDonald's.
I was bored.
Okay, eating stream, eating stream,
Eating stream.
eating stream.
I live real close. My mom was like, "You can just spend more time here." I'm like, okay,
Okay, here.
no, that's yours.
Huh? No,
They
this is
just gave me
mine.
that for free.
Huh?
They were like, "Do you want this?" And I
No,
was like, "Okay."
no, I hate milkshakes.
That's not a milkshake.
Hmm?
It's freaking
Oh yeah.
something.
No, I'm not hungry right now. I will eat later. I ate lunch at like 3, remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, CYCY
All right,
gaming.
back to the problem, back to the problem. You can't use my Python. Did you do math counts? I did do math counts, yeah.
He did.
He is quizzing me on every math competition I've ever done.
Chris, do you have ketchup?
Huh? Ketchup?
Do you own ketchup in this household?
In the fridge, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're currently on 531.
CC.
What happens if he has 531? Yeah, he would put the wait, hold on. Yeah, he would put the blue over here, right? I swear we've been in this scenario before. Okay, no, okay. If he has 531, if he has 531, he would put the blue marble here and wait, what? Oh yeah, we have been in this scenario before when we did 540 and we put the green marble in the bag. So 531 has the exact same decision tree as 540. So we can just merge these. We can just get rid of this entirely. Okay. We'll just call we'll just denote 540 and 531 by the same thing. And this is 2 or 5. Oh crap. What was this? That's 5 over 10. This is 1 over 5.
Triton problem is really the mind boggling.
Yes, it is. It is. Um and yeah, we've already solved 530. I'll edit this one as well. So there's a 9/10 chance.
Mukbang X math stream.
Okay, so what our tree is going to look like. We're going to be on 333 and we're going to keep doing 333 until we get to 432. And at which point we are going to keep putting the blue marble into the bag until
Blorble.
we get either 441 or 540. 540 we'll get really lucky. 441 we'll just get 540 anyway and we'll just proceed down the path. Oh my god, what just
Did you
happened?
go to NATS Nats?
Huh?
Did you go to Nats? What's Nats?
Nationals? Yeah, I did.
So that means you met
Huh?
Mr. Chris. That's hopefully.
Maybe I met Mr. Chris.
I have
We
chat pulled up
probably
on the
met
side
then.
here.
I'm talking about math counts because if you went to Nats. Oh wait, really? Are you also in 10th grade? What year did you go?
Can they even see me?
Hmm? Oh yeah, we need to adjust the camera then. Tech guy is back. No,
Oh,
where is he?
I'm
Where is he?
invisible.
Ah! Ah! Okay, thank goodness you can control Z. Alt. Here we go. There he is. There
Tech
he is. Tech
guy.
guy is back. Oh, you guys couldn't even see that because okay.
You guys didn't know you could just
Yeah,
hear
you
my
guys.
voice?
Yeah, you because the entire thing was happening on the left side of the screen, and I have that plotted out because on Pencil 2D you can see the left side of the screen is a bunch of controls. So
Tech guy just now
yeah,
has
I am only
McDonald's.
streaming like a portion of the screen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm. Okay,
Hello, RZ.
getting a little tired here.
Mm. There's a
So
coffee waiting for you.
let's see. So how many steps would it take on average for 333 to get to 432? Okay, we can do two separate markup chains. One here and the other one over here. Okay. So first, let's do the easier one. Where should I put that? I don't know where the face cam goes. I think it's like over here somewhere. Wait,
Hmm.
I don't. I hope the face cam isn't blocking anything.
I'm looking at stream right now.
Oh, that okay. The stream is like 10 seconds behind, which is really weird to look at.
It'll probably be, it'll probably cover not that much. We'll see.
Okay. Um,
You're good.
I forgot how to do markup chain. Someone please teach me. I haven't done math competitions since March. I have just been doing YouTube. Um, I went to nationals in 2023. So did I. Oh, that was great. I will not say what place I got
Is
because that would give away my name. But uh, I did
it
place
up
in the
there?
I did place in the top 50, which was nice. Okay, so 333. So okay, the probability to get it in one try is 2/5, right? I mean no, sorry, 3/5.
I
In
think
two
someone
tries,
leaked your name in chat earlier.
huh?
I think someone leaked your name in chat earlier. Someone you knew.
Oh my God, come on. You know what? From now, I'm just gonna ban my name in chat. That's so annoying. Come
That
on.
is annoying.
Yeah.
I like read the message. I was like, that's so stupid. Why would you join stream and decide that's the best thing to say?
And wait, so plus 3 times 3/5. Okay, so this is a infinite sequence. This is not the right way to solve markup chains, but I forgot how to do them. So you're supposed to do something with like e of expected value and then make some sort of equation.
Anyone else want to help him do markup chains?
And blah blah blah. 1/1 minus 2/5. Oh, 3/5 is the starting term. Wait, what? No, I did something wrong.
How are people expected to solve this within a 50-minute time
Huh?
frame?
I do not know. Yeah, I did something wrong here. So the expected value, this is supposed to be 1. This is supposed to be 2. This is supposed to be 3, and so on. Because this this product of fractions over here, that represents the probability of getting to 432 within 3 moves. So we multiply it by 3 to get the expected value.
Chris also went to Nats in 2023.
Hmm. So I don't remember meeting anyone named Chris, but hello now, I guess. So
How many people go to
I think
nationals?
around 200 or so.
Mm.
Okay. Oh, wait, the way that we do this is actually really cool. Wait. I want to show you guys.
Time for
If we have a
chicken number 2. Oh,
let's I'm going to go over here. Okay. So right now we're trying to find this thing. Okay. This essentially is an arithmetic sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, multiplied by a geometric sequence. So it's called an arithmetico-geometric sequence or something like that. And the way we solve them is kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to denote this as, let's say x equals, I will use x for every variable. And, okay, now what we're going to do with x is we're going to copy it over, shift it to the side. So the terms line up like this. Okay, we do something else here. What do we do? Yeah, we multiply by 2/5. 2/5, like, we're going to multiply both sides by 2/5. So this is squared, 2/5 cubed, and so on. And you can see that the terms kind of line up now. So we're going to subtract the top half the top equation minus the bottom equation to get x minus 2/5x will equal 3/5x. And this term subtracts nothing, so it's still there. Uh, Plus, we have 2 times this fraction product minus the fraction product. So that's 1 times the fraction product. And see what happened? We just took this complicated thing and we turned it into a geometric sequence. And you got an ad. Okay, thanks for the ad revenue. I will gladly take it.
no problemo.
Yeah, we were watching the stream on the side. And you can see 3 times this product of fractions, this stuff, 3 times that, minus 2 times that. Every term just lines up nicely. And okay, oh sorry, I should line this up.
How much do you think you made in ad revenue on the stream?
Can we check that?
Maybe?
I don't know. We will do that later. So you can like as we subtract these equals, we can like yeah, we're subtracting two equations, and then oh no, oh no, I messed things up. Oh crap, this is over here. This is over here. Oh, everything's falling apart.
Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop.
Yeah, tech guy, we need you to save us. But
Do math.
thank you for that.
No problemo.
3/5. Okay. Anyway, you can see that now 3/5x is equal to this sum over here. And this is conveniently is a geometric series, which we can use the formula. Starting term over 1 minus the common ratio, which is 2/5. So x equals 5/3. Now, could you have solved this in about 20 seconds if you had actually remembered how to do Markov chains?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, but you learned something cool. Look at that. Look at that.
You learn a whole new sequence now.
Yes. Expected value. Oh yeah, yeah. Saw a visual proof. That's cool. Okay. Um, yeah, x equals 5/3. So the expected number of moves to get from 333 to 432 is 5/3. You're expected to take 5/3 like draws, 5/3 turns to end up at 432.
How
Now
many?
we're going to calculate the expected number of turns to get from 432 all the way to winning. And yeah, we are not going to be able to do this because we would have to evaluate about 10 of these. So I think we're gonna have to remember how to do Markov chains.
Uh-oh. Hit ChatGPT.
No, we shall not.
Oh.
Yeah,
Can I ask the ops?
yeah. Expected value of 432 equals, I think it was something like you multiply the probability of getting that. Oh yeah, that would make sense. Okay. So the expected
Stop, Chris.
what E of 432 means is the expected number of turns it takes to win. From if you're starting at 432, the number of moves it takes to win from there. So for example, if E of 432 equals 5, E stands for expected value by the way. If you were on if you had marbles in the 432 configuration, if you had 4 red, 3 green, and 2 blue marbles, then it would on average it would take you 5 moves to win. That's what it means.
What's the question? Do you want to
Uh,
quickly go back to show the question?
Okay, yeah, because there might be a few new people here. Okay, so Triton is doing some dumb ritual. Okay, so he has a bunch of marbles, and there are more of these marbles in the back. Okay, 3 of each color. And then every turn, Triton picks one to put in the bag. And then he draws one at random from the bag. And his goal is to end up with 6 marbles of one color and 3 of another. And the last marble would be 0, since Triton always has 9 marbles in total. So we'll call that a 630 configuration.
Mr. I'm
And then,
Repairman, man. We would do that, but this is not the only question we're solving, so he said to put the this question in the description, but that's
yeah,
not the only one we're solving, so.
we might do another one later. I don't know. I'm kind of tired. Given that Triton plays optimally, so Triton is really smart and he knows everything, and he is trying to get done with the ritual as fast as possible, which I cannot blame him. This sounds boring as hell.
Kelvin
That's
the
that.
Frog problem is 10 times easier than this, by the way? Probably.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That some guy has to go back to Kelvin the Frog.
It's Chris. Chris has been wanting to do that
Chris
for
is
a while.
Chris is okay. I will go back to that after we
Break
finish
them.
this because we can actually finish this. This is number 9, which is really cool because like every year there are like 1 or 2 people in the country that end up solving this.
Really? That's
Yeah,
it?
yeah. Well, I mean that's understandable since this is like they have 50 minutes, but
Yeah.
like that's still not a lot of people.
What about
So
number
we're
10?
gonna feel really cool once we solve this.
What about number 10?
Well,
Is,
number 10.
is that even harder?
I don't know because we just saw Neptunian ritual and we got interested, so we just went to number 9. My voice is cracking from all this. Okay, so so E of 432, we're coming back to this, is equal to 1/2 E of 432 because there's a 1/2 chance you're just going to go back to e of 4, 3, 2, and I'm going to add in the 1
No.
here because that would take one move. You're using up one move. And then you add this to 3 over 10 chance of getting 4, 4, 1. Also, and you're also going to add 1 again because it would take you one move to get to 4, 4, 1 plus 1/5. And you'll notice that 1/2 plus 1 times, I'm sorry, 1/2 times 1 plus product of these two times the product of these two plus the product of those two. Like, if you, the point is,
Recursive equation?
if you take off these, I mean, I've never thought of it that way, but I guess it is a recursive equation. This is just plus 1, because the probability always adds up to 1, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, that makes sense. So there's our first equation, and we will make similar equations for 4, 4, 1 and 5, 4, 0.
That's a lot of equations.
That is a lot of equations. You know what? Maybe we should go back to the frog problem. And like we know how to solve
We'll
this,
take
right?
a break now. Yeah.
No, I don't want to just get the answer. I want to have the solution. And the thing is, once we do get the answer, we don't even know if it's right or not. Here, let's open that. We need more light.
Oh, it's nice outside.
Yes, it is.
Such a fancy curtain. Wow.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. What a shame the chat can't see it. So yeah, once we get the answer, we won't even know what it is. So, and we have the full solution. So we just have to solve a bunch of equations. It should be like 3 equations, which we can just use a bunch of substitution to solve. And then we will add whatever we get, whatever e of 432 is, we'll add it to 5 over 3, and that will be our answer. We're not going to do all the arithmetic right now. That is kind of boring.
That
So,
is for later. We'll do
yes.
we'll do Kelvin for now.
Okay, and Kelvin will be the last problem, because my voice is going to die.
And this has been a long stream. What is this now? 2 hours almost?
We're at Kelvin.
I think he's number 5 or number 6 of the
Yeah,
regular.
and same thing with this. This is a lot of computation. I messed up somewhere because I think I forgot to calculate this sliver of area right here.
Wow.
Okay, so yeah, we're not doing that. We will just ignore that. We will just leave that
We got it
problem.
right basically.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Okay.
You are for CC gaming.
You do have
Nice
multiple
math,
problems.
dude.
Kelvin the Frog.
Yo!
We got we got a donation.
Holy crap!
Mia Wozni. I pronounced that so wrong. I'm sorry. Wait, that's my first ever
Is it
donation.
Maya or Mia? That is awesome, bro. Holy
Yeah,
crap.
thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kelvin the Frog is at the point. Okay.
They took your crown as soon as you got a CC gaming. Holy crap. I was about to say.
Okay, I didn't know you. I didn't even know YouTube had that. I was not aware of that. More engagement for me.
That is awesome. Holy
All
crap.
right.
Maya or Mia Wozni, thank you so much. We haven't even seen you chat yet. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yes. Come on, say something. This is very cool. Good job. I really appreciate that.
That's our first ever donation ever. His first
It
ever
probably
donation.
it probably will be my last donation as well. I'm gonna turn off super chats soon. I get all the money I need from ad revenue. Super chats don't really do anything.
Super chats
Uh,
only if you like really, really kind. I think you
let's
can
see,
do just I think
even
you can even
counting.
just counting.
Really? There are like 64 possible positions here.
It's pronounced
That's
Maya
that is
instead of
going to
Mia, but I don't
Maya.
care. Alright, Maya is fine.
Math is very
I just joined a
cool.
few minutes ago, and yes, math's cool. It's cool that you guys are excited about it. Awesome, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the point of the stream. We want to find people like you who find interest in second this too.
Kelvin the Frog is at the origin, and he wants to visit 333.
I think for Kelvin, someone suggested looking at it in each plane.
Okay, that sounds about reasonable. So we would have, yeah,
It should be each pillar.
each plane would have we would have 4 planes, and we should probably consider the
I'm
z
giving you a
plane,
lot of hearts.
the z planes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have z equals 0. We have z equals 1. Yeah, that sounds right. This will be the first thing we try. Okay, I should probably draw them out and then copy them. That would be a lot smarter. Is this how you? Yeah, this is right.
Figuring it out on the XY, the YZ, and the XZ planes.
No, I think just doing XY plane is the best because the Z coordinate is special. So
That is true.
1, 2, 3.
Isn't this Pascal's triangle, the XY plane?
It is Pascal's triangle, and it would be, but they put in this really annoying thing where you can randomly decrease your Z coordinate by one. Yeah,
They just added that just to
yeah,
spite you.
yeah.
They added that just to spite you. I'm Mr. Repairman, man. 20 was 4 to the 6 times 20? Yeah. 4 to the 6 times 20. Is that like the
Okay,
full
so
answer,
let's see.
guys? Don't say the
So
full answer.
let's restate the problem. Okay, I'm going to move all this to the left.
Thank you again, Maya. Holy crap.
Oh, you can see our score is still there. Okay.
Everyone say W Maya.
Oh, you can buy your own. Well, you could give me some money.
I could.
Except he has 16 cents in his bank account.
You don't gotta leak tech guy like that. My gosh. W Maya's in the chat.
Okay. This is confuzzling. Okay. So Kelvin, this is a normal Pascal's triangle problem where like you go like up there, but then randomly you can just like you can go from this plane to just like go into another dimension, I guess.
Chris, I don't want to hear it.
You can just randomly go back. What did Chris say? You
He
got
said
another
tech
ad.
guy, dot, dot, dot. The bank account situation's gonna get better. I've been spending a lot of it on one thing, so
Go back. Okay.
I have a very unhealthy Pokemon addiction. Like, very bad.
He wants to get here.
Deleted
And
something
he
said
starts here.
Catalan numbers. He's calling it now.
Catalan.
What is Catalan?
I don't think it's Catalan numbers. Wait. Yeah, no, it shouldn't be.
It's like a pyramid?
Huh? Catalan numbers is like if you have
Quick math
like a
question,
so
guys.
like a staircase thing, then and you did Pascal's triangle on this, I think you would get Catalan somewhere from there. Or I don't know.
Mm.
That's
Mr.
what I remember.
Repairman says it's like a pyramid, so it might be like a pyramid. Who knows?
Wait, why would it be like a
Yeah,
pyramid?
why would it? Wait, could you expand on that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm reading this too. It doesn't look like it could be a pyramid.
Okay, so Kelvin the frog has three options. He can go here, or he can just go into another dimension of existence. That's fine. Let's see here.
Kelvin's all
Yeah,
knowing.
Kelvin. I wish he wasn't all knowing. It would make the problem a lot
Kelvin's
easier.
the one who put Trident up to his nonsense. What if the ritual is to meet Kelvin? What if that's the lore? What if this is all connected?
He's on Neptune, man.
He's on
Don't
Neptune.
question it.
Ritual to the Kelvin gods.
Z equals 0 to Z equals 1. Okay. Wait,
You start at the
let's
peak
just
and can move XYZ, but can never go back to that point.
yes.
So that is a
We
pyramid.
can't wait.
Maybe.
Uh,
But then doesn't it say
mm,
you can't beat Z
mm.
by 1? Decrease to Z by 1. But
I
you
mean, I'm
can.
I'm not really seeing the pyramid connection, but maybe that will come up as I go through the problem. Uh, you know what? Let's just try Pascal's triangle and see like what goes wrong with that. Okay. There are one ways to reach each of these. Oh, but maybe there's more than one way for this because what if you want to go over here? What if you want to end up here first and then teleport back? Because Kelvin can just do that.
Kelvin's just the goat, I guess.
I don't really think we use Pascal's triangle. I think a better strategy would be to use casework on how many times the z coordinate goes down.
When you enter a given XY, you can choose any of the four Z's to leave it from. And there are six choose three paths 0, 0 to 3, 3. That is true. Have you tried solving the simpler case of 2D?
I don't think 2D would do anything because 2D just completely gets rid of the.
The Z
Oh,
coordinate.
unless you mean get rid of the x coordinate or the y coordinate, in which case you still would have the
Just,
decrease the z coordinate thing.
I don't know if that would help
Well, I
though.
have a good idea to here, but I want to explore that. So we're going to case one. No z decreases. Oh, wait a minute. Z can decrease like a bunch of times. I just realized that. Oh, we'll just try this to see where this leads us to. I'm gonna turn on the light.
Oof.
What happened?
Z.
Okay. No z decreases means that there are three z increases. There are always three fewer of this than there are of that. So in this case, it's just a normal problem, right? Yeah, it's just a normal, uh, this is just 9 choose 3 times 6 choose 3. Because, because they're going to be, wait a minute. Yeah, there are going to be 9 moves that Kelvin makes. 3 of them are going to be plus x coordinate direction, 3 of them are going to be plus y, and 3 of them are going to be plus z. And then we're going to just order them, pick 3 spots out of the 9. 9 choose 3. Let's say we pick these 3. Now we have 6 left. And then we're just going to fill those with y's, and then the rest of them will be z's. So that's case 1. Case 2. Case 2.
Has anyone watched the new Chainsaw Man movie? Is it good? Another $10 donation from RC. Holy crap! You've been here
Yo,
this whole stream. That is got some more money against your will.
get some
Hey,
more money against your will. Okay.
you know we can refund
Okay.
these, right? We can refund
Wait, we
these.
can refund those?
I think so.
No, we can't. Oh, wait. Actually, you know what? Thank you so much for
Thank you
the
so
ten
much.
dollars.
You've
Yeah,
been here this whole stream.
yeah,
That's so
yeah,
kind. I saw you in the Discord
yeah.
server too. That is awesome.
And she's the one who told us to do the Triton. So,
Awesome.
yeah. Case
This
2.
makes up for the suffering from the Triton problem.
Yes. Case 2. What is this? Okay. So case 2 will just be 1 z decrease. I spelled decrease wrong. That's how fried my brain is. Okay. So we have
WCC's in the chat. No, my fault. WRC. I'm so sorry. WRC in the chat. I've just been reading chat and blown my mind.
you have McDonald's too. I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
getting high off of the
Okay,
freaking slushy.
and one negative z coordinate as well. So
Low-key been
we have
selling on
the
Amy this past 2 years. You did Amy in ninth grade, right?
yeah. Yeah,
Or was it
I
eighth
think,
grade?
huh? I don't know. It was a, I think I've done it like twice or maybe 3 times before. I forgot.
I remember this
It's
dude won
been,
some big math competition and came back with a really cool calculator.
oh yeah, that was Math Counts Nationals. Yeah, they gave us a free calculator. I mean, it wasn't even because I won. They just gave me a $220 calculator. It had like a mouse on it.
Yeah,
Like,
it was so
they,
freaking cool. And then our principal called him up and they were like, "This dude got the freaking calculator." And we're like,
yeah, it was so
"Yay!"
lame, man. It was genuine. Like, okay,
It's Arky. Oh,
yeah, we're firing tech guy. We are using the $10 and we
okay,
are spending our money somewhere else,
okay.
not on tech guy.
Short for Arcadia. Oh, that's nice. Was that your last name? Is that why it's last name?
Case, wait,
Yeah, Math Counts Nationals have 3 calculators in there. Chris has 3 calculators in Math Counts Nationals.
what the hell?
Donate Tech Guy a calc.
Oh, he's been there 3 times in that. Wait, that's really cool. I've only been there once in 8th grade. I didn't make it in sixth or
Do you even have to win or do you just have to qualify to get the calculator?
you have to qualify. Yeah, well, qualifying is really hard. It's 4 people per state.
Ooh, good. So Chris is on it. Chris is on goated status. No, last
Um,
name is my last name
last
though.
time, okay, that's fair. That's fair.
Arky last name.
Okay, this is going nowhere. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this. We do know that plus z cannot be followed by a minus z. They have to be kind of separated, but I don't know what else to do. How many more cases will there be? Hopefully not very much. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try again with a different strategy. We're gonna have a bunch of moves, right? There are gonna be 3 x's and 3 y's. Oh, I got it.
He got
Oh,
it.
well, I mean, like, I don't, I think I'm pretty sure I do have a strategy. Okay, so we're always going to have 3 plus x directions and 3 plus y directions. We will never have more, we will never have less. Because, okay, where's the problem gone? Okay, we're going to, our x coordinate has to increase by 3, our y coordinate also has to increase by 3.
Do we have someone famous on the stream?
Huh?
Dotted calculator? Who's dotted, guys?
dotted calculator? I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. Oh wait, no, I've seen him like on AOPS. No, it's a fake dotted. Okay, I don't know.
Fake
Okay, you know
dotted.
what?
That's what the real dotted would say. That is
Uh,
what the real dotted would say.
I don't know. Oh,
Y'all, can someone state the
there's this
problem?
for the win thing that on AOPS, and I have played against him.
Dotted calculator is like IMO gold.
Huh?
What is IMO gold?
It's really hard to get. If you there's this international math Olympiad, which is like the biggest thing in the world, and I think like the top, I don't know, there are like a handful of people internationally that get gold,
So we have the
which is
math god in our stream.
yes,
If it's the
yes.
real dotted, we have the math god. Only have three. Only have three what?
Huh?
Then we add some
Hmm?
z in inverse.
Okay, okay. So back to this, back to this. Okay, so we have yeah, three x's and three y's. There are six choose three ways to permute these. So and this is 20. So let's say our random permutation will be x, y, x, x, y, y, okay? We now have the option of inserting plus z's and minus z's just randomly wherever we want. Um, so each plus z has to go before the minus z because you can't have a minus z first. If you like, for example, if you have a minus z first, that would land you in the negatives, and the problem says we can't do that. Back in the problem, it said,
He only has three IMO gold.
yeah, the
Only.
coordinates must stay between 0 and 3. So we can have plus z, and each plus z comes with a minus z. Wait, does it?
You can't have the same coordinate though.
Huh?
You not have the same coordinate if you have a plus z and a minus z. How does that work?
Wait. No, no. If you have a plus z followed by a minus z, you just like go back to the same point.
Which you can't do.
Yeah, which you can't do. So they have to be spaced out somehow. Uh,
Tech guy said something smart. Holy crap.
plus minus z. Okay, we need to have three more plus z's than minus z's.
Arky said that you can have up to 18 minus z's, she thinks. You can control which z coordinate you exit from.
I don't think you can have that many because wait, could you? Wait, wait.
What's your reasoning
Oh
behind
wait.
that, Arky?
Oh, I think you might be able to. That's going to be a nightmare. Holy, what a problem.
God, Kelvin's on a different level. Four choices for each x and
Because
y.
you could have plus z plus z plus z and then minus 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 to go back, and then plus 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 minus 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 plus 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 minus minus minus. Yeah, I think you have like up to 9. Yeah.
Okay, so half of what she said. That's good. Ooh.
Okay, I think each intermission here, there's 7 of them. Okay, so these are going to be intermissions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In each of them, yeah, shut up. Yeah,
Tech guy's
it's
providing value.
uh in okay. In each intermission, right? You can only go plus Z or you can go minus Z, or you can do neither. You can't do both at the same time because you haven't moved an X or a Y at all. So, and if you haven't, you're going to like go back to the same point. So you have 7 intermissions, and we're going to decide each of them, okay? Um, let's see here. How are we gonna do this? We know that the we know that the total of all 7 has to be 3. We're going to have 3 plus Z's total by the end of them. What else can we do?
Bastion Shalar, you're correct. It is max 9 minus E. That is what we got. I'm not getting ads. That's good. Is everyone getting ads or just me now?
It says we made $20.
Mariah Koa, I'm having a hard time studying math in uni. Do you have any advice?
Oh, I do not have any
You
advice,
cannot
but
go
what?
outside. You have to stay inside at all times. Can't touch grass. I'm sorry. Tell all your friends that you can't do
You're not
anything.
available, yeah.
You're not
You're
available.
not, well, I mean, neither of us have any experience or
You have to
like
worship Khan Academy before you sleep.
know
And
anyone with. Does that even work for college?
what? Khan Academy?
Yeah. Do
I
they
think
have
Khan
that?
Academy does have like a really fairly advanced curriculum too.
Um,
Organic chemistry tutor, someone. Gotta worship them all.
okay, well, the thing is, I have no idea how to calculate this. What's going on here? I guess we'll just try and find out some sample ones to like see if we have any idea on what's going on. So let's say we have plus 1z here, plus 2z here, which would bring us our z coordinate to 3. And then we have minus 2 plus 1. Now we're at 2. Minus 2, because why not? And then we have 0, and then we have plus 3. Okay, that works. Now we have to find out how many of these there are. How many of these patterns, which is going to be quite challenging. But we do have the answer, so at least we can check this, unlike for the Trenton problem.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're definitely firing.
No.
Plus
Actually, right,
1.
it is not equal. Since moving x and y are kind of indistinguishable, so I mean same as z, pretty sure you should start with some sort of with some kind of stars and bars.
Uh, I mean, we kind of already did that. Wait, is this what you meant? Like, that, there are 20 ways to permute the x and y, so we'll probably get something like this. And then from there, we'll multiply 20. Because there are 20 different, like, combinations of these. And then we'll multiply that by the number of, like, plus 1, plus 2, blah, 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 amount of these there are. Hey, you know what? Let's check the answer just to make sure it's a multiple of 20. And then,
Oh yeah, results came out.
huh?
Probably right. You said around 6 o'clock they should result. They should release.
I don't know. I don't remember when it was last year.
Read the message
What is
20
this?
IQ sent about it. Has a good hint.
It is a multiple of 20. Yes.
Mr. 20 IQ said you can control which z coordinate you exit from. 4 choices for each x and y.
Wait, say that again slowly.
You can control which z coordinate you exit from. 4 choices for each x and y.
Okay. Wait, what? You mean for each intermission or what?
Not sure.
Oh. Oh, yes. Because look, that's so smart. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Bro,
Yeah,
20 IQ, 20 IQ and Chris have been
yeah,
cooking up in the
bro,
chat.
rename yourself, bro. Not 20 IQ. Okay.
Yeah, facts. We
So
gotta add a one at the
so what he
beginning.
said is like if you have plus 1, right? Your z coordinate is now 1. You can now go down to 0, go up like uh go up to 2 or stay at 1 or like go to 3. So there are always 4 no matter like what this was. So there are 4 options for each of these.
CC Gaming, you're right.
And
220
then
IQ.
this one you have to go to 3. Is this the answer? Please? Please? 4 to the power of 6 times 20? What is
Yeah,
4 to the power of 6? It is times 20. Is it?
that's the right
Oh my
answer.
god,
You got
it
it
is the
right.
right answer. It is the right answer.
Good job.
Yes.
Good
Okay.
job. We figured out Calvin.
All right. Um,
Is it time to sign off?
I think it is time to sign off. Wait, hold on.
Anyone have anything last? Any last
There
things to
was
say?
another problem that
You
someone
want
in
to
the
finish the
Discord
Triton
requested,
one?
huh?
No, but we already know how to
Well,
solve
we already
Triton one. It
know
just
how to
takes
solve it.
30
Yeah.
times.
All
So
right. Yeah. That'll be it for today. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you.
everyone who donated,
Yeah.
thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank
That
you,
you don't know how
Arky
much that
and
meant to us. Arky
Maya.
and it was Maya.
Yeah. And yeah, that'll be it. I will probably make another video today. I don't really know.
And greetings from
My
Germany.
throat is
Hello.
absolutely greetings from Shostakovich. What?
Shostakovich?
Huh?
Oh,
This
because
is the
he's from
composer.
Germany.
Okay.
Shostakovich.
Well, thank you for streaming. Yep. You're welcome, I guess. I mean, like, it was my pleasure.
Thank you for
That was
streaming, of
pretty fun.
course.
That was pretty fun.
That was
Yeah.
fun.
Except my throat is now like,
Do you guys want to see something like this again?
I will not be able to speak tomorrow.
You just
Oh
joined?
no, I
I'm
just
so
joined.
sorry,
It's
bro.
midnight there.
It's midnight
Huh?
here.
Um, how do I end stream?
Wait, let's see what people have
Wait,
to say.
this is very okay. Yes.
You want to see something like this again?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I might do this again for. I might stream again and give a review of the AMC, which I also took. The American
Ooh,
Mathematics Competition. Yeah.
that would be good.
And I will do this again. I will probably definitely do this again for the AIME, the AIME. That takes place in February, and there are two of the competitions. For some reason, MAA only allows you, like the organization that runs it, they only allow you to take one of them. So I will definitely live stream the other. I probably won't do it against ChatGPT though, since that was pretty boring.
Nice videos, by the way.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you,
from
thank you.
Germany. So, international.
He's taking 10 though, right?
Not sure. Well, we'll log on for AMC Trophy.
Yeah, I will lock in.
Is
Thank
he
you.
junior? He is a junior,
Yeah, I'm a junior. I can't take 10 anymore.
unfortunately.
I missed out on the perfect score twice. I mean, 3 times. It was very annoying.
Gosh. Wasn't it like 34 out of 35?
Yeah, 24 out of 25. Okay. All right, bye bye.
Adios, CC.
Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you everyone for joining. And oh, I finally found the end stream button. There we go.
Adios.